Hi friends, welcome back to a new season. My name's Karen and this is a lifestyle channel for 60 and over women or anybody else that is interested in my content. I really appreciate you being here today, and today in our video we're going to tackle a chore that a lot of people really don't like: folding a fitted sheet. So let's get started. Okay, I'm here in my bedroom and I have a set of sheets that I've folded previous to this, and I'm going to take this all apart and show you how I fold my fitted sheets. I want to let you know first off that it just takes a little patience. It's really not that hard. Okay, so I'm going to take my fitted sheet out. Here it is. That's my corgi. He loves to bark. Here's the pillowcases that go with the set, and I'm going to unfold my sheet. Now this is not an exact science. It's not really something that you need to stress over too much. This is a double size bed set, but this works for any size. And I know a lot of people, when they get their sheets out of the dryer, they just have a tendency to go, I don't want to deal with this. It's too much. Boom, done. But there is a simple way. So first of all, I want you to take your sheets and I want you to notice how they're constructed. Mine has elastic all the way around, and at each of the corners you will see, well, there's a lot of stuff on here. Anyway, you'll see that there's a seam. This is what it looks like on the inside. You can clearly see the stitching, and then if you flip that over, you see the finished seam from the outside, and there's always a point right here. Okay, all I do is I take my hands and I put them inside that point, and then I pull out the sheet and I find the other end that has the same point. So now I have 2 points, and all I do, guys, is I put one point inside the other point. What I usually do is put one this way, and I'm just tucking it inside the other one. Okay, so we have 2 corners folded into each other. Now you can do this lengthwise or you can do it across the short top. It really doesn't matter. Either way is fine. And I'm going to repeat this for the other end of the sheet as well. So I'm going to find my end, and I'm going to find my other end, my little corners. Come here, little corner, where are you? This takes a little bit of patience, but once you get into it, it's pretty easy. Okay, so I have my 2 ends. I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to turn it inside out, and I'm going to tuck it into the other one. Okay, so now here's one end that I have. I have one end tucked here, and I have the other end tucked here. Now I'm just going to kind of shake it out a little bit, and I'm going to repeat the entire process. I'm going to take this end, flip it inside out, and just tuck it in to the other end. Okay, now what you're going to see is that you'll have like an edge, right? So just lay the whole thing down. This helps you see what you're doing a little bit better. And you'll also have these bits, okay? So I just kind of straighten it out as much as I can, smooth it a little bit. And according to Marie Kondo, you show appreciation for your things by taking good care of them. So I'm kind of tucking this in, and let me show you what this looks like now. Okay, you've got our 4 ends are all tucked in together. Here's our little seams, you can see them, okay? And everything is just kind of laid out. Now this is not a perfect square, but it's pretty close. So all I want to do now is just fold this up so I can put it inside my flat sheet and add my pillowcases. Okay, so here's my process for that. and this is, like I said, not an exact science. I'm just gonna roll this up one time and just kind of straighten it as much as I want to. Then I'm just gonna take the top and fold that over, okay? And just kind of smooth it. Tell your fitted sheet you love it. I know this sounds super woo-woo, but Marie Kondo says you appreciate your items and take care of them well. All right. Now, I want this to kind of fit inside my flat sheet, which is right here. Okay. So this is about the size I want to finish up with, because I'm going to tuck it right inside here. Okay. So I'm going to fold this over once, and then I'm going to fold it over again. And it makes like this nice little puffy bundle. And your bundle will be puffier or less puffier depending on what size sheet you have. Then I'm going to bring my top sheet over. I'm going to open this up. I'm actually going to tuck my pillowcases inside here and then fold that over on top of them. Then I'm going to take this, set it on top of my flat sheet, flip my flat sheet over on top of it. And folks, like I said, it's not an exact science, okay? But this is the bundle you end up with. And you can kind of like mess around with it a little bit. If it OCDs you out and you want it to be like perfect, you can adjust it a little bit. So I could kind of scoot it over here, pull this up a little so it looks a little nicer. And there it is. It's ready to go in my drawer or my cupboard or my cubby or wherever I keep these things. Thanks for coming along with me on today's video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more content like this, leave me a comment in the box below, in the comment box below. Tell me what other how-to videos you would like to see, because I'm a woman that's had a lot of experience with housekeeping and taking care of a big family, homeschooling, all kinds of things. And this is just one of the little things that I've learned along the way. I hope this helped you today. Can't talk. I hope this helped you today. And if it did, give me a thumbs up and push that subscribe button. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.